Hi everyone, Catman Josh here. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox your JVC Android TV. The one I've got here is a 43 inch, but the same does apply to a 40 and a 50. So before we start, I noticed that on the box it says that 2 people are required. So unless the help of my lovely girlfriend, who is super happy to help me and to give me a hand. Okay, let's get started. First off, the tape needs to be cut. Don't use a knife, a key, or I'm using a flathead screwdriver will do the job. That's handy, we've got an unpacking guide here. Give me a second, I'll just give this a quick read. Okay, so reading this then, it looks like I'm in a big flat surface, so my table will do. Something soft like a blanket or a towel and a Phillips screwdriver. Give me a couple of seconds, I'm going to grab the bits and I'll be back. So, first thing we need to do is remove all the packaging from inside it. So, start by taking the stand out first. A little bit fell out, I'll remember that for later. And take out the top bit of polystyrene. Put that to one side. Take out the side polystyrene, just making sure these handles aren't in the way. Sliding them up and out. Got a front support, bit of cardboard and polystyrene. Move that out of the way. Also, we've got an accessory pack which has got your remote, your batteries and the screws. So keep that to one side with the instruction manual in here also. From here, now you can grab your helper and be able to take hold of this bag. It's got two carry handles each side. So lower you grab that side, one hand on the box and one on it, and just lift up and out. And we'll lay it flat down on your towel. And there we go. Okay, so to put the stand on now, we need to be able to get it out of the bag. So to make life easier and a bit safer, what we'll do is we'll just pull the TV to the edge of the table. And we'll just tear the bottom bit of the bag to be able to get to the mounted holes at the bottom to get the stand on. So there is 4 screws located here, 2 on each side. So what we'll do is you'll get the helper to, what makes life easier, to be able to hold the stand. Got these little tabs here as well. Get them in place. And the long edge faces down. Hold that on. I'll grab the screws and just nip them up. Now they're nipped up, it's a case of Laura, if you grab that slide for me. And just flip the TV upright. And we can now pull the bag up and around. From here we can undo the strap on the back to release the power cable. Just pull in the cable tie, stripping that out. There you go. Remembering to take off the protective shield on the plug, and there we have it. Ready to plug in and to set up. So once it's plugged in, you turn it on, flipped it round. There is a protective bit of plastic that's surrounding the screen to give it a little bit of protection. As you can see, there's a little label here. Just start by peeling it off from somewhere in the middle. Cat's just knocked the box over. But try and get all the bits to peel it off. I can't, there we go. So in this bottom right corner here, there's this little tab. Now that I've made it accessible, just be very gentle with it. Ready to complete for the setup. So to be able to set up with an Android device, click here, and if set up with an iOS device or anything else in a computer, click here.